I'm actually going to walk you all through uploading my bad example. Once you get the hang of this, it is super easy, down and dirty. But yes, I understand. At first, it can feel a little confusing. So just walk through this with me. Whenever we enter into a wiki, at first, all we have is a plain old website, right? Maybe there's hot links, but in general, it's a website. How do I post something? I need to flip it into essentially a living Word document. Up here, my friends, edit, edit. Edit is our best friend. I click edit, and I wait for the toolbar to load. Now I'm uploading an image. The bottom row of the toolbar is my friend for uploading images. It kind of makes sense if you look at it. The first top row is mostly typical word processing stuff. Second row is editing stuff. Third row is where we have our tools to upload different forms of media. So let's look at what we've got. The little chain link to a new page, or link to a page within this wiki, either one. No, I'm not doing that. Now let's say that you built a single Prezi, I never get the terminology right, frame for this. Then you would indeed click on the chain. You'd get a pop-up box, and you would want to link to an external website, and you'd put the URL for your Prezi in here. But that's not what I'm doing. What about this next one? Anchor? No, anchor is when you set a shortcut within a single web page to jump back and forth without having to scroll. We're not doing that. What about this next one with the arrow pointing up? Upload a file. If you were uploading something for us to download, yes, indeed, that would absolutely be what you'd want. But I don't want you guys to download this image. I just want to post it for you to look at. The next guy, insert or edit an image. Look, it even looks like a picture of a tree. It's a tree, it's pretty, it's a picture. That's what I want. But hang on, I should double check something. I used PowerPoint and just did a single slide. But since I'm posting it for you to see, I need to make sure that I've saved it as a picture, not a PowerPoint. If I saved it as a PowerPoint, you'll need to download it. I don't want to waste your time. So let's go back to PowerPoint very quickly. All right, here's my fabulous, horrible example. Well, I want to make sure you all can see this as a picture. So what do I need to do? I'm going to do save as, and I'm going to save as a picture. Save as. All right, what am I going to save as? I'm going to save as a JPEG right there. Could use GIF, don't use BMP or TIFF. JPEG is your best bet. It's just a form of compression. I click JPEG. I'll just save it on my desktop. Boom. All right. Boom. All right. Got it. So let's go back. So I want to upload, insert my image. Click on the little tree to insert my image. Now, my friends, I fully admit to you this is a terrible interface, but hang on, it'll make sense. Notice it says image URL. That can be very scary when you're thinking, wait, it's sitting on my desktop. That's not a URL. It's not out on the internet. It's okay. I know, it's terrible verbiage. Look over here. Right there we have a browse button. Across from image URL, we have a browse button. Click it and browse to select your image. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And there she blows. Hello, darling. Upload. Ta-do, ta-da. There it is. Now, I should give it an image description. Why? Because if any of you or any other students, or if you post things for your students, if anyone has a visual processing issue and they're using software to read what's in the text, you should always have an image description. A terrible example of the visual for the week 1 visual assignments. And for the title, honestly, I usually copy and just paste the title in there again. Now, insert, boom, there it is. I asked you to include your name, so be sure you do. The above image is student X's visual of the crucial differences between on-ground, blended, and fully online. Now, if I thought there needed to be a brief paragraph, 2-3 sentences to explain it, I could type those in here as well, but I think my visual is so fabulous that it needs no explanation. What do I have to do before I leave? If I just click somewhere else, I'm out of here, go to another web page, it's gone. It will not save. I must click save. Must. Save and exit, or just save. Either way, save and exit. I want to make sure it looks right. Booyah. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. There is the bad example. I will post this movie for you so you have a bad movie to show you how to post a bad example. What a win-win. Thank you.